Hey, my couponing friends, don't walk into Walmart without checking your cashback apps first. This week, from May 24th through May 30th, Walmart has some easy cashback deals you can grab using Ibotta and Walmart Cash. First deal, Kemps Protein Plus Milk. It's priced around $3.98, and Ibotta is giving back $4.99, making this free plus a moneymaker. Next, Ensure Max Protein Shake. Pick up one for around $3.98. Submit to Ibotta and get $3.98 back. That makes it completely free. Now let's talk Walmart Cash. Grab the Harken candy bar for around $2.97. Claim your $2.97 Walmart Cash, and that makes it free after cashback. Another good one is Dawn Platinum Plus Dish Soap. It's around $3.54. And Walmart Cash is giving back $2, making it only $1.54. And don't skip the razors. Simply 3 razors are around $5.97, with $3 Walmart cashback, making them only $2.97. We are not done yet, because Walmart has a few more cashback deals you need to check before these offers disappear. First up is Colgate Optic White Purple Toothpaste. Grab one for around $5.96, then claim $3 in Walmart Cash. That brings your final cost down to just $2.96. That's a good one to grab if you need toothpaste and want to get money back. Next deal is Tide Simply Laundry Detergent. Grab 2 bottles for around $18.76 total, then claim $5 in Walmart Cash. That makes your final cost $13.76 total, or about $6.88 each. Laundry deals add up fast, so if you wash clothes every week, this is one to check. Now let's talk about the Swiffer Power Mop Kit. This one is around $26.94, and Walmart Cash is giving back $8, so your final cost comes down to $18.94. If you've been wanting to try the Swiffer Power Mop, this cashback makes it a better deal. And last, the Oura Ring Sizing Kit. This one is around $10, and you can get $10 back in Walmart Cash. That makes it free after Walmart Cash. So remember, before you check out, open your Walmart app, clip the Walmart Cash offer, and make sure the item matches exactly. We are saving money, getting cash back, and blowing coupons. Save this video, send it to your coupon bestie, and follow for more weekly Walmart deals.